Hey guys, this is Delicious. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see comments in Python. Normally there are two types of comments in Python, single line comment and multi-line comment. Now we're going to see single line comment first. Single line comment. Before seeing that, why comments is used? Uh, Comments are used to inform the users what that code is doing. For example, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to x plus y. Print z. We use comments by using hash symbol like this. It will give output by adding x plus y, by adding x and y. Normally, whatever written after using a hash symbol, a Python compiler will ignore that and the error will not be given. Oops, sorry. See, I have written a single line comment without using any hash symbol. But if I write as hash symbol like this, it will not give any error. Sorry. You have to take care of the indentation also in Python. See, the output has given. Normally, another type of comment is multi-line comment. Honestly, there is no multi-line comment in Python, but whatever you have written inside double quotes or single quotes, Python will take it as strings. For example, x is equal to welcome. See, the output has given us welcome, but if I write it as only welcome, there will be error. But for multi-line command, normally we use triple line quotes like this. This is universe. Say hello to it. See, there is no error. But if I write it as simply like this without any quotes, you will get an error. So that's it guys for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.